Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should get the green Apple keyboard application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so we should tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, we should just open the application, click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, you should tap once on the switcher, then click to activate and tap to go back. Tap here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard. So we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.